So the issue was that this damper was disconnected from the knob which is in front. So the damper was not working. That is why the fridge was freezing the food. Once I connected it properly and snapped it in place, everything started working. Further details down in the video. So I have this Frigidaire fridge which is freezing the food in the refrigerator section no matter what the settings are. This is the model number. So what I have researched, as you can see, for example, now it is at almost middle, not extremely cold, not totally on the left side. So but what is happening is the food in the freezer, whichever is placed here, is getting frozen. The research that I have done is showing that there is a damper behind this which may be causing the issues because it is stuck or something. So let's start opening this and see what is going on. So as per my research, there is some issue with the damper. The only thing I can see here is this one. So what I'm going to do is remove this, and for removing this is kind of a lock. I snap it off from here and then this will come off and then I'll have access there. Let's see how it goes. And remember to remove the power of the refrigerator. You don't want to get electrocuted. It's gone. So this comes. So to remove this, to have an access to the damper, I first need to pry this off like this. Just pry it off. And seems like this thing is just I think I need to remove these 4 bolts. Let's do that. So this is the total assembly. This grip was attached to this one, which I removed by pressing it from this side like this. So the fan is out and it will be easier to work like this. Looks like, and I'm going to remove this. All the locks have been removed with the exception of these 2. They seem to be frozen. So this has come off, and the way this is supposed to be, it is like this. This seems like to be the only damper. Okay, let's see. So if we keep it colder, the airflow from the freezer to the refrigerator will be less. If we keep here, it will be more. So if we keep here, this closes the airflow because air is coming from here. And when I turn it like this, the airflow is more. So since the food is freezing, we'll keep on this side. I've just assembled it. Now what is happening is this. I go. This. So it is supposed to restrict the airflow. Let's keep it this way. And just snap it in. So before I do that, I'll just install this to make sure that the fan is working and everything else is right. Let's do that. But before doing that, I have a good opportunity. I can clean the freezer. So the interesting thing is that this damper is reverse to what is being suggested here. So what the colder is actually going to make the refrigerator or the fridge section warm, and if you turn it to cold, it is going to make it hot. So I'm going to install this back and run it and then see if the fan and everything is working, and then I will install the damper plate in front of it. So this goes back in there. Simple clip. Okay, so I have to make sure this pipe, there is a pipe on its backside that goes in this hole. Easy first. Let's remove this box. Otherwise, I'll not be able to install the pipe. So here, the pipe has to come out from here. And that is an ice maker pipe. We don't have an ice maker, but the pipe is there. This is done. This is done. Everything looks fine. I'll just install these screws. Yes. This is working fine. We'll turn it off. Disconnect the power. So that ice box cover has been installed. I am keeping it at the warmer setting, and I'm going to just snap it in. You goes in here, and just all the locks are snapped in. Let's turn on the refrigerator. Plug it in. Turn on the thermostat. So that is the refrigerator section. This where the air is coming from. So let me check how things are. Yes, the airflow is reducing and increasing when I turn that. So seems like it has been fixed. And push it on this side, insert this lock here, and that's it. This is fixed. All I need to do now is load it up, and that is, the job is complete. Hopefully it will fix the freezing issue in the refrigerator. If there is anything not working, I will do a follow-up video. But for now, thanks for watching.